All right, guys, welcome into today's video. It is going to be action-packed, so make sure you are ready for this one. Okay, first thing first, Meta went down today, but not really bad overall considering how bad the markets went down. Tomorrow may be a different story. As you can see here, the futures is looking pretty red. S&P is down 31 points. The Dow futures down 178 points. The NASDAQ is down 126 points, and the Russell is down 16.4 points. So markets are going to be very red tomorrow, so prep for that. Now, if you remember me talking in the last few videos back, a couple videos back, there was a certain stock, a certain particular item that I was looking to buy as a hedge against this crazy market we're at. So what happened today? We had the FOMC meeting, and they raised another 75 points on the interest rate. So Fed meeting, raise interest rates by 75 percentage points. Here it is. The Dow closes 500 points lower after the Fed delivers an aggressive rate hike. You can see here, all these bear articles are out there. Today's Fed meeting confirming the S&P 500 bear market case. This is what I'm saying, guys. If you listen to me and what I said in my video a few days back, I was buying ticker symbol UVXY. That's right, the VIX. It covers as like, you still keep your other shares. We're not selling our metamaterials. We're not doing that. But how are we going to make money in a bear market is kind of hedging ourselves and buying the VIX. So I was buying the VIX down here in the low 10s. You can see now it's up in after hours at $11.18. We are up pretty good percent. Let me check real quick what I am up. Probably close to over 10% on that investment already. I told you guys I was literally just buying it the other day. We're up 9.23% on that investment already. So up over 9% from when I bought it. My average cost is $10.24 on the UVXY. I think there's going to be more craziness. This is going to spike up even higher. I'm not planning on selling it right now. There's this chart too I wanted to show you. We showed this in the videos I did. I showed you this chart as well. Michael Kramer here does a chart showing the VIX of 2022 versus the VIX of 2008. And you can see here, the white is the VIX of 2022. It is following a very similar path to the VIX of the 2008. Now, I'm not saying that the current VIX is going to shoot up to 80, but could the VIX shoot up to 20, 30, maybe 40? Possibly. A lot of people says that you haven't really hit a bottom in the market until the VIX hits a 40. Now, I don't know if I'm going to hold the VIX to a 40, but if it hits up to probably 15 or 20, I'm going to sell part of my position and let the other part ride. So that's how we're going to be making money in a bear market. That's right, buying the VIX, UVXY. So here you can see, you can buy that right on Robinhood, Fidelity, Webull, UVXY. It was up about almost 7% today, guys. So just wanted to cover that there. All right, so metamaterials here, like I said, volume was really low on metamaterials. Average volume is 6.1 million. We trade at 2.5 million. Taking a look here at MMTLP, it was actually up 2%. Now, I know we did the video a couple days back, and it was up to like $1.65 or something like that, $1.60 back here. But this stock has stayed within this channel ever since pretty much shortly after it spiked to $3. It came back down. Anywhere between $1 and $2, it just hovers around that dollar, I'd say $1.10 to $1.50 range is where it's been kind of hiding at, and it's just been kind of staying there. Now, volume on this was pretty close to average. Average volume is 311,000, and we hit today volume at 264,000. Now, I want to surprise this in the video that I want to grab some more shares, guys, before we get this news, the S1A approval, or the S1A amended, stuff comes out. Possibly there could be more notes to be done, or we may get the approval. I don't know. So I'm going to hold off here, but I need you all to smash that like button, because what I'm going to do is, as soon as the S1A either comes out, because here's what I'm thinking is going to happen. If the S1A comes out and it gets approved and it does get the official new dates, the rats will start to scurry and the time starts ticking. If this gets another delay, more reviews from the SEC needing another amendment. There could be a little manipulation on this and trying to scare us out of our position, saying this ain't going to go through, yada, yada, yada. So what I'm looking to do is, as soon as the S1A comes out, and if they decide to make us do more changes, more amendments, I'm looking to buy if there's any kind of fear in the market on this. If this drops down anywhere, I'm looking to buy it. If this gets approved, I'm buying it at the market price. I don't care. I'm buying it ASAP. So that is the plan. And every like I get on this video is how many shares I plan to buy. That's right. My average video gets anywhere from 100 to 200 likes per video. And I had a couple videos hit over 300 likes. So the more likes we get on this video would be the more shares I buy going into that decision when we get the announcement, whether approval, whatever. So we'll have an update on that in future videos. So like I said, appreciate everyone smashing the thumbs up. All right. Taking a look here at the Fintel. Days to cover is at 6.82 days. Going down here, there's currently 100,000 shares available to borrow, lend, or short. Short borrow fee did go up a little bit today. We are at 12.7%. Yesterday, we were at 12.49%. So up, 0.2%. FINRA short volume ratio is pretty similar to yesterday at 42.96. And the aggregate short volume ratio is at a 43.39. Let's go ahead and take a look at oil. Now, I do believe oil is going to start going on the, I think oil is going to start recovering here very soon, and probably along with gas as well. Here, we're getting ready to hit winter months here shortly in the next couple of months. And I think you're going to see oil and gas kind of pick back up here, at least on the East Coast where I'm at, because, it gets really cold here, and we're going to need oil, we're going to need gas, we're going to need all that stuff. So we'll see what happens. A lot of the banks are predicting oil to go up as well. WTI crude, $82.71. Brent crude is almost at $90, and natural gas is at $7.72. All right. So we found this tweet here by Mr. Palacaris. That's right. And Mr. In George We Trust has a tweet out here. Great to see the progress at our Bay Area location. Team and product customers, partners meeting, all moving fast forward. Hashtag momentum. He has the pictures there. Man, there is the Meta microwave. God, I would love to get a Meta microwave. That would be so cool. I would love it. A Meta microwave would be great. Have the popcorn, That'd be awesome. But I did put a reply back here. Thanks to Palacaris for the update. Any info on the Columbia, Maryland office, would love to schedule a visit. Now, I don't know what's going to be there in the Columbia, Maryland office, but I'm about an hour away from Columbia, Maryland. So depending on where it's at, I would love to schedule a visit and go there, be able to bring you all some footage or pictures, whatever, an interview from someone down there. That would be truly amazing. Maybe snag up one of those Meta microwaves, man. That'd be awesome. And I wanted to share this post. JR here on Twitter at The Real JR. He did this post a while back, but time to revisit his pit stop in Pleasanton a few months ago. And here you can see picture of the Meta door there. Zoom in on that. There it is. Meta Materials Inc. Number 52, Customer Training Center. Meta employees only. Visitors, please report to suite reception 37 if you're actually going to be there. But there they have the lock on the door. And then we got this picture here. Meta Materials Technology. And then here is this door. And please report to suite 3. So there is all the number 51 there. That is cool, man. Yeah, once we can get more information here on the Columbia, Maryland one, I'll be looking to go check that one out. All right, then we got a tweet here from Gardner Wade talking about Optodot. That's right, one of our latest acquisition. And here he's kind of shouting out Elon Musk, hoping to maybe make him realize that, hey, we can help you out. We are the company you need to make your products better. So I would love to see that happen. All right, and then we got this post here where John Berta replied. So let's go over this. Deemra22 says, hello at Palacaris. Really hope we will get a word from you this week concerning MMTLP. He posted this yesterday. We know that us longtime torch will get the reward, but the long wait is an everyday mental challenge. Very best. Here he says, he also tagged John Berta in this second post. He says, 12 hours ago, Is it possible for Nextbridge to create a Twitter account where we could have direct information and discussions about what's next for the company? Cheers. And then John Berta here replied back to it and said, I would assume once the spin out happens. So that's just John giving his thoughts and opinions that I believe once this gets approved and everything is closed, like the ex-dividend date is finished and done, and I think we will start to hear a lot more from Nextbridge. And George and Emmett Meadow will probably come out with some press release saying to go here to get your information, or maybe they will give us that special presentation that they promised. But yeah, we're just waiting on the SEC to give us the approval. So like I said, make sure you smash thumbs up on this video. Every like I get on this video, I plan on buying a share, and that's the goal. So want to get as many before this closes. That's right. So what a fun way. I'm going to buy as many shares as we get likes on this video. So, all right, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.